Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is all about a VW T5 that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash camera solution. So why have we actually added in this solution for the customer? It's not only to protect the vehicle and the owner of the vehicle while driving the vehicle, but also what it does is actually protect the vehicle and owner while it's parked as well, which is absolutely incredible and needed in today's day and age. I'm sure you guys at home would have seen plenty of driving on the road from other people that you wouldn't be best pleased with, and you wish you had the element of actually recording that, showcasing that to whoever you need to, whether that's the insurance company, police, or friends and family, just to see how laughable the actual driving that you saw was. And this is exactly why people add dash cameras, just like we have done today, and we're going to show you exactly what we've done. So up front, what we've got is the Thinkware U1000 dash camera. It's a 4K image quality dash cam, and this is basically the brain of the system. From driver's view, really hidden, but in terms of the actual look of the unit, it's pretty much hidden behind the factory mirror, and you've got two cables going into it. First cable is power, and then the second one is the rear dash camera, which we'll move on to shortly. Really nice discreet solution that you've actually got the on and off button, the microphone button here as well as the fact you've got a little Wi-Fi boosting signal, because that's how you view all your footage. So you can download the app right now. It's called Thinkware Cloud, and you can actually log in when you're sat inside the vehicle, view all your footage, change settings with a real ease, guys. The app's really easy to use. It's one of the reasons why we use this dash camera, because anyone can use it. The other really nice thing is once they are set up, you don't really need to go back in unless you want to download footage and send that over to your insurance company or friends and family. So really nice, easy to use app with a discreet installation. Obviously all your cables are completely hidden away, but it's a perfect solution to protect yourself and your vehicle. So right above me, we've actually got the Thinkware U1000 rear dash camera mounted on the rear glass towards the lower end of the tailgate here. This actually involves quite a lot of work running the full cable run from this camera all the way, and it plugs in right at the front. One really nice thing about the system is this vehicle has window tinting done on it, which is quite a dark tint actually. However, the dash camera doesn't struggle with that at all. It sees right through that, giving you still a very clear image live directly that you can view live on your app, or when you download the footage and view it on your computer, for instance. Another thing we've actually added in is something called a Thinkware iVolt battery. Let's go check that out. So the iVolt battery, what is it and where is it placed on this install? It's actually hidden away underneath the passenger seat. What the iVolt battery actually does, it means it's a safe way of recording when the vehicle is parked. So not only is the dash cam running while obviously you're driving to protect you there, but also when you turn off the car and you're away from your vehicle, you have before this no way of knowing and protecting your vehicle, but now you do, guys. So the iVolt battery is a really common option that we add on to dash camera installations. What it allows you to do is basically, if you drive for around about 45 minutes, you get around about 16 hours of parking mode recording in motion detection. A really nice way of securing your vehicle, but obviously that is all relative. If you're not doing 45-minute drive a day, not a problem. That 15-20-minute drive down to the shops will obviously relate to that element of parking mode to protect you while you're in those shops as well. So it's really beneficial to have something like this with zero draw on your vehicle's battery. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it and you learned a little bit more about the advantages and also what it looks like to have a dash camera installed on this particular vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you all very soon.